We got a bunch of snow. Measured it at a level park. It's like 17 inches we got.
Honestly, I don't know. I was trying to get the spot clear where I'm at right here for you to park.
Alright, I'll go down and turn around.
We're out here having a time, y'all. Plowing on the four-wheeler truck. I'm out here shoveling now. It's just crazy. We haven't had a snowstorm like this in so long. I mean, we're plowing stuff up all the way to the top. It's crazy out here.
It's like P-I-M-P pimp or?
Yeah, you do look like a pimp right now. Guys, look how he plows snow. Cuz, hit his line. Straight ice. We're freezing out here. Me and Colby are clearing some guy's driveway for him. Get that pimp. Colby!
Yeah.
What happened to the quad? Tell him what happened to the quad.
Broke it. It ran out of gas.
We had to tire out, the winch broke there. Whoops.
The big jobs.
The big jobs, dude.
Ask him if he wants it back. Fucking cold start, eh?
Cold start, eh?
Here in Canada, eh? Fucking
Cold.
cold.
How cold was it, eh? How cold was
It's this
that?
cold.
Some cold start revs.
Come here. Want a treat? Come here. Come here. Come here.
She don't want to go in.
Hey. Come here. Want a treat? Come. Come here. Look, hey. Come here.
Why does that cat hate
Lock your
it?
ass up the door.
She hates it in there. I don't know why. Limiter's gnarly.
For the first one, I'm doing a 3-finger combo.
Sweet tea.
And with a sweet tea. And for the drink, I'll
Do something for the video. Take the camera. POV 2026. What is it? What's going on? The worst way. The worst snowstorm possible. I'm tired.
Are they fucking cutting the head off the fucking chicken or what? Where's our fucking crispy McDouble at, bro?
We're at Cane's, Golden.
Crispy McDouble. Hey, I should have let you order, Billy. You guys got burgers. You got 5 Guys? Tony, give me the biggest one you got. The biggest one you got. Talk to Feathers, Tony. Yeah. Thank you. Alrighty, I appreciate it.
That's actually insane. Alright, y'all, we just made it back home. I know this video was supposed to be like a razor video going out and ripping, but we got so busy with snow plowing and shoveling. Turned into a work day, just had some fun, so this was life in a snowstorm that we'll probably never have again for a while. It was fun going out in the snow, but I appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for more. See y'all.